Hi, how the day? Today in our course, we will learn how to generate fancy photos with Stable Diffusion. We will start by visiting Studiolab SageMaker OS. Follow my steps. You will find the link of the website down in the description. Click on Request Account. Fill in the required fields with your information. You will receive an email to verify your account. Click here. And then we will wait about 12 to 24 hours till our requests get approved. Sometimes it takes less than that, but check your email, you might find an approval. After we receive the approval, we will click on Sign In, write your password and your phone number. I already have my account, so I will sign in with my account. This is what it looks like inside our account. In the next video, you will learn how to install Stable Diffusion and use it.